Man, I love this. Man, I love this shit. Man, I love this. Man, I love this shit. Man, I love this. Man, I love this shit. Man, I love this. Man, I love this shit.
It's 2 o'clock and I'm faded. This kush feeling amazing. Got a voicemail on my phone from a little breezy feeling X-rated. She told us thing that she heard. I'm in the car and I'm swerving. I walk into her bedroom, I put it down, that's certain. Man, I stay on, that's a rock. Man, I stay be taking shots. Man, your girl be on my jock. Baby, cause I'm everything you're not. See, ain't no bitch with it, ain't rich with it, no snitch bitch. I'm real with it, and that's real get it. I'm just trying to chill, cause I'm way too drunk to be talking like this. Way too high to be tripping like this. Way too young to be living like this. Ask me why I do it, I'ma put it like this. Oh, damn it, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, damn it, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'ma keep on drinking cause I love this shit. And I'ma keep on smoking cause I love this shit. And I'ma keep on grinding cause I love this shit. She tell me keep fucking cause she love this shit. Rolling through my hood, rolling up some good. Shorty, let's be rolling on that wood. Damn, she wrote it good. Rolling over, I ain't sleeping over now. She rolling her eyes, rolling on her